Today we celebrate liturgically the sixth Sunday of Easter, but we also celebrate Mother's Day. And so we should give thanks to our mothers. We should give thanks to all mothers today for the love that they have shown, for the sacrifices that they've made, for all that they have taught us, for all that they shared with us. And so I offer this Mother's Day prayer for all mothers on this Mother's Day. Lord, thank you for my mother. Thank you for blessing me with a mother who is kind, loving, strong. Bless her and protect her. May you give her peace in times of worry and distress. May you give her comfort in times of sadness. May you give her hope when she feels hopeless. And may her heart be filled with joy each day. Let her feel your unconditional love and forgiveness as she has unconditionally loved me. May she feel loved and cherished on this day and every day. Amen. Happy Mother's Day.